Hello, this is Joanna, JCLady, from the channel JCLady Alternative Education. And this is just a few words, just a vlog. I know that the light is not so good, but that's not a video about the grammar. I'm more relaxed. I just want to say that I recently got some comments on my page, Facebook page of JCLady Alternative Education, and I accepted. So I just want to say a few words about that and about my plans. And this will go as a vlog on JCLady Alternative Education YouTube channel, the English version vlog, and there will be also the Polish version and French. I just want to say that my plans change a little, but the basic is the same. So now I am in the process of making the video about my 6 books of grammar, Polish ancient grammar. Now this is not only about grammar, this is about how to teach Polish in all, because there are also conversations and etc. Meantime, I'm finishing the 6th book, the conversations, Polish, in Polish, and after that I'm going to do it, but I don't know exactly when. Hopefully till the end of this year, 2021, I will have my 6 books translated into English, and I will have to do it myself, maybe with help of somebody, but it's a complicated topic, so I cannot really give it to a translator because I don't trust he will do it well. So I'm going to translate and put it on Amazon. So at the end of this year, I should have 12 books, because 6 in Polish and 6 in English, books about Polish language, and to buy. And with all that, I will make a kind of offer out of that. I already invented it. I thought about it a long time ago. Now I'm going to make an offer out of those videos that I'm going to finish about all my books, the links to the books in Amazon, and the offer of my course of Polish. Now I'm going to send it FYE, right, for the information of universities. And I'm going to send, I guess, not only to Slavic studies, Slavic studies. I guess I'm going to send it to all linguistic studies. So that will be a lot, because in fact I'm talking also about Sanskrit and Latin and English and French. And you know, I'm very spiritual, and I'm in while I'm spiritual, I'm a witch. So I just get some insights, and I know that people will contact me, and I will do this will be called some kind of guest lectures, because I don't want really to be a part of the university. That's not my dharma. That's not my really long time goal. But I would like to do those guest lectures, because what I'm saying is it will not be immediately in the curriculum of those studies. It cannot be because it's already in the process, and because it's too alternative. But I guess it could be interesting for professors even. So I assume that I will get some offers for those lectures, and online or in reality. And I see that some professors, for example, in Warsaw University, is really harsh. Like, people are really close-minded, but Krakow is a little different. And I will send everywhere. Anyway, I come from Warsaw University. I didn't stay there because I've seen how are the things, right? Who will understand me? So, but anyway, I will send the offer over there. Yeah, but what I'm saying is that I guess I will be not hated. There will be not so much hate, but of course there will be, because Polish people especially are very conservative, and lots of them are really against the Polish heritage, discovering it, the true one. Now, there are some who are open-minded, the professors, and I guess they will contact me. Now, I am not kinda nobody. I'm a teacher. I've been a teacher for a long time. Now I'm just teaching. That's what I do, is just a scientific work, and I do it on my own. I pay for it myself, right? Anything I need. I'm not paid. I'm not at any university, and I'm not working as a teacher, but I've been teaching for I don't know, some 15, 16, I don't even know now, many years. I've been a teacher of English and French, because I've got master degree from Polish philology, but I have never taught Polish because I didn't want to, just because my views are too alternative. And so I've been teaching English and French. I've got the license from teachers college, and that's it. So I'm well educated, and I come from that background, right, university, so they cannot really disregard me completely, I guess. Let's see what will happen. But what I did is a huge work, right? That's a work for the whole university section, for many people, and I do it on my own. So, right, they cannot really disregard that completely. That's it from me. Bye-bye.